Okay, so this is the lk1900bn, serial number, last four digits 2634. Also, you see there's that scan code on there, so if you scan that with a phone scanning app, you can get you to your parts books and everything else. So here we've got pneumatic tension, and because we're using that with a valve, we decided to also add a blower here, a needle cooler, so that the needle doesn't get so hot. In this application here, you see the thread here. We're sewing 3/4 thread 295, top and bottom. We've disabled the trimming system on here because it was a customer's preference. One of the things we also want to go over here with this is the threading of the bobbin case. That thread needs to go through that stem on these machines. Okay, so you need to make sure you do that. We have several patterns here, and again, we've turned the trimming system off just because it was a customer's preference. And we've also added here a two-pedal operation, so one pedal makes the clamp come down, the other one starts it. So you see he's stepping on the right pedal to make the clamp come down. He can take his foot off the pedal, the clamp will stay down. If he steps on the pedal again, it'll come up. Okay, so that again, please. Okay, so this is the same machine, same setup here. We're just changing the pattern to the box and cross pattern. Okay, so again. Okay, bobbin's finished, so I'm gonna wind up another bobbin. We already had one wound up, because basically you set up the bobbin on here so it'll wind the thread while you're sewing. This is the other pattern here, which is just a box and cross on one side. And we'll do the other side here. And if you look at this, this is 3 layers. 3 layers of webbing. Okay, so same machine again here. We're going to do 4 layers of webbing.